I have too, plenty of times. All right, go ahead, baby. I just got it on video. They didn't answer, so. All right, Matthew, ready?
Let's do it.
The other one's got 198.
Yeah.
You want to save that one for the last and do one of the pot leaf ones? Okay, because I'm going to do a... Matthew, come on, let's do one of these together. Or Emily, you can do one if you want.
If you cry, I'm not gonna...
Sweetie, here. I'll show you where to hold it.
Be able to stand on one spot. I
Hey,
think
sweetie,
that's
you can do it right here from your chair.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to
Okay.
get up.
Here's
Hold it.
the wick.
Alright,
Crap out of myself
see this
Okay,
again.
hold
bottom
on.
part right here?
Yes.
Grab it right there. Right there. Okay? Find this
Here,
easy.
baby.
Okay.
Huh?
Come here.
Wait. Wait. Okay.
Hold your phone.
I'm holding my phone, baby. This is Matthew's phone.
Right spot.
Oh, I can't see what I'm doing.
I'm not gonna fold it as anybody.
Okay.
Hold it straight up. You hold it up toward the
Yeah,
right.
don't light it yet because I want to do it together.
Hey, wait. Am I supposed to let it go?
No, you hold it in your hand. Because if you let it go, then they're going to go all different directions. But don't do it yet, though, because we're going to do this and then we're going to do ours together.
Sure. I just got
Okay.
the friend.
Here, Matthew, hold the phone so I can light this real quick. I know, I do too, Emily. And I mowed the grass earlier today, so I definitely ain't had a shower yet.
Matthew took one today.
Oh, scared the crap out of me. Oh, shit. What the Was that was all?
I think he got ruined.
Did it get ruined?
Are we okay?
Yeah, it tipped them all out once.
I just busted my freaking leg on the damn arm of the chair.
Mandy,
What?
I hope we don't get anybody accidentally hurt.
We won't.
Yeah, that one
I
ruined.
know. It wasn't
Oh,
on
that's...
purpose, but
See, I wonder if we need to sit it inside that bucket thingy in there.
Matthew, oh dear God.
We got 2 shots out of 16.
Well, how... It ain't ruined, is it, for real?
Yeah. It tipped over.
Okay, well, it still wouldn't be ruined, though.
Yeah, it's ruined.
Yeah.
The other fucking 14 didn't even go off.
We probably need to sit it inside that thing so it don't tip over. Instead of on the edge of that thing.
Yeah. But you don't want 20 bucks to almost plug the hole.
It's okay, we have another one, it's alright. That one probably was the free one anyways.
Well, we're about done. We've got like one big one left, and that one, and these.
So,
Was I doing something to
Hey, sweetie.
alright, you ready, Emmy?
that? No, not yet.
Hold on, very bottom.
You better get it ready.
Hold on.
Very bottom.
Right here.
Yep, very bottom.
I'm nervous.
Did it